are back in town and we have got a special guest with us today. We got Mr. Loki Boy. Today looks like the swell's dropped a lot, so we're gonna head back there and go see if we can get some. Yeah, should be pretty good, pretty keen. Absolutely beautiful weather today. And yeah, we got all the boys back to nature in. Got these two. Reeford said he's gonna join, but apparently he needs to get his hair cut first. I think he's waffling it. Reefy, what you saying, bro? What you saying? But yeah, we're going down, and I think we're gonna have a sick sesh. Gonna take the GoPro out, get some POVs. But we're on our way, rocking the Project Deep sweater. Exciting thing coming soon. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Guys, we're busy going down the hill. Psych levels are through the roof. Our boy Reefy is here at the moment, and he says it's cooking. Cooking.
Call up your bum.
Yeah, we're searching my giant salamanders out. But yeah, we're down here, but let's check. We're about to check the wave in like 10 seconds. Bro, low-key. Okay, low-key, onshore makes it, cross-shore makes it kind of whack. Looks a bit weird, but like, I think we can get some waves. This tide is insane. I don't think I've ever seen it so low before in my life. Check how low this is, Daryl. Oh, that was out already.
That's what I was for. Yes, you guys are troll. So it tells me to move, bro. Now I lose my pocket. I'm a sparky boy. Listen, why is it like, they sick, but like there's more, I've seen more close-ups.
Okay. Tide looks way too low. Check that left over there, bro. I think we're definitely on for a sick little sesh. Oh, 0.5.
Bro, there was one that we just saw that like,
really?
Sick, yeah.
Bro,
We're landing is.
bro, we're out there. Best airwave in South Africa, question mark.
Stuck in there now.
Prepping with some back to nature beforehand. Oh my sack, we're so out there. Boys are suited up, back to nature's applied. It looks insane. Bro, look at this. It's like airwave of the century, bro. There's so many wedges coming through. Let's go, let's go. Right, it actually looks insane. How crazy is Pal out though? Yo, quick, let's go. Look at that! Oh my gosh! How is this? Where's the wave? I was swimming under with those dolphins for so long. Thought I was gonna pass out from holding my breath. Bro, that was just on and on and on, kept coming out of nowhere. It was absolutely insane. Okay, next one. Woo! Oh, it's a bum. Look that thing. Oh, huge. Ooh. Dastard! Buds! Oh, I suck. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, bro. Ja, zet dat ding vollziek. Wat de hell? Go, go! Oh, no, I can go. Oh, can I get on there? Go, go, go. Bro, Luke just got bombed. Oh! Oh, check out this thing. Born on a bomb. Oh my gosh, that's a cooker. Breaking wider off there, it's too messy there, but yeah, it looks like it cleans up. Oh my sack. Bro, it's hollow. Check out the set as anything. Oh, sack. Stoked! Oh, huge! What? Bro, Luke just had a fat punt. This psycho. We'll take those things. Oh, so I'm actually still buzzing about those dolphins. That was insane. Ooh, look at this little thing. It like peaks and then runs in. But you gotta find a good one that works. So a little bit tricky, but part of the fun, I guess. Go, Daryl! Look at that, bro! Look at, look at, look at! That's offshore. Bro, this wind is so weird. It was like pumping from there, now it's flipping offshore. What the hell is going on here? I have no idea. Oh, what's up? Go, Reeson! Oh, you too close! Oh, you can get footed. Yo, Luca was just killed by us, bro. My sack was died. That was a fun one. Yo, you always went over. You going? Oh, fuck. Gotta go square. Oh! Went around, bro. The boat's flying. Oh! Look good! Just came in to help refit the key. It looks like Daryl's also coming in. Oh, so much fun. It's like offshore now. I don't think I've ever actually surfed it offshore yet. Tide's still super low. A few crazy ones. I got so cooked on that takeoff earlier, but like there's a few bombs coming through. I think we might be done. I'm exhausted. I'm going to be taking Luke through to J-Bay tomorrow, PE, for his flights. I might spend a few days in J-Bay, so maybe something exciting coming there. So I don't want to use all of my energy today. Now I'm cooked because it made me pretty solid. So we'll check, maybe call it a day. Super fun session though. Literally just beautiful waves, beautiful conditions. Ew.
I think it's like your mental waves just go dead.
Bro, you literally caught like 3 waves in 4 minutes at the end of before you came out there the second time. The first time. How good was that?
It was so good. Yeah.
Literally like flipping crazy session. It was so weird because it was like offshore and then the offshore just started pumping.
The wind was like so bipolar.
Yeah.
No, where do I want to go?